Hey. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your flame away.
Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. Sorry if the lighting is bad, y'all. I tried to do my best with it. I didn't want to turn my ring right yet because I have to move things around in this room because of what I'm doing today. But let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing my own Sweet 16 photo shoot. The last photo shoot that I did was a Valentine's Day photo shoot and that came out so good. So I was like, let me just do my Sweet 16 photo shoot. That's why I look like this right now. I didn't want to put on my outfits now and then I'm gonna have to set up too because I did not set up, so it's gonna be all in this video. I'm just gonna be doing my own Sweet 16 photo shoot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell, share this video to one of your friends, and also follow me on my social medias too, and that's on period. Now let's just get into this video. I'm gonna show y'all all the items that I have for this photo shoot. So I have this pink money. The money is right here and the battery is right here. I got this off of Amazon. Just press this and the money will come out. Of course, I got the little tiara with the sash and that stuff. So yeah, I got this off of Amazon too. My theme color is pink and silver. Can go for like a light pink or hot pink, like the color of my nails basically. And of course I got some balloons. I got these off of Amazon too. These are the balloons with the silver stuff in it, like the sparkling stuff in it. White, silver, and gray in here. And this was off of Amazon. And these are balloons too. These are the number 16 balloons. And yeah, I got these in silver because, you know, like I said, the color theme is pink and silver. And these are some pink rose petals. I got these out of the dollar store. And I got like these little silver stars or confetti silver stars. And then we got the tablecloth, light pink tablecloth. I got these out of the dollar store too. I also got a dark pink tablecloth. And then I got this too. I got this off of Amazon with pink fringy curtain. That is all the stuff that I have. Of course, I have like the backdrop thingy to hold up the tablecloth and that stuff. And I got my tripod and I got my ring light. And for the outfits, one of the outfits I wanted it to be like I woke up 16, something like that. My sister came up with a caption already that I can use for Instagram for one of the outfits. So I was like, okay, so I should wear like a pink Victoria's Secret robe and some pink Ugg slippers or something like that. I never wore this Victoria's Secret robe yet. I wanted it to give off like she woke up 16, like what else is there to say? She's 16 now. Don't play with her. These go perfect together. But yeah, the second outfit will be like a chill type of outfit. Rugrats, graphic tee, pink New York Yankees hat, and with these pink Simpsons socks. With these light wash type of jeans or acid light wash type of jeans. The third outfit is going to be my dress. It is March 30th and it's, let me see what time is it. It's 7 o'clock a.m. I need to move this table that's right here.
Ain't no one colder than me. Yeah. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in a week. I hit up Tony and told him I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Johnny, you lost it. I told him they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Y'all nigga back to the bluff. Johnny get back to the bus. If I do not make a few million and shit, and I might just go back to the hustle. I got me some product and I ain't gonna hide it. I might just start trapping in public. I might go to prison and free all my niggas. That's word that Harriet Tubman. Tired of you asking me questions, I'm sick of it. Why you keep shutting shit down on the internet? Why do you have so much talent and benefits? Why you keep dropping your album in increments? ADHD is a social experiment. Who pay attention the most when they're hearing it? You cannot stop it, there's no one interfering it. This is my moment and no one is sharing it. Nigga, I'm just getting started. I hit on my targets, I promise I'm very fun. If I do not win the Grammy this year, then I blow that bitch up in an air when dying. I think all my shit is hot. If everyone think that it's not, then everyone lying. I hope my shit doesn't flop, cause I put a gun in your head, make everyone bite. I'm digging a hole, you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. I did it, I die, I get buried in diamonds. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I can marry a pilot. I'm Area 51, Alien Island. My UFO flying is scary and violent. I shut down a planet, you hearing the sirens. I'm very excited and you shouldn't bother. Jordan got too many problems. I told that little bitch that I'm down with a threesome as long as it's you and your mama. I ain't got no patience, I love to get dirty, but fuck it, I'm cool with the drama. When niggas be hating, I tell them no worries, my nigga Akuna Matata. I don't wear Prada, just bring me a white tee. I bust on my jealous, I still wear the Nikes. I roll with some hitters, I know you don't like me. I shit on you niggas, now bring me some wipes. You think I'm a killer, well maybe I might be. I ain't got no feelings, I dare you to fight me. I sleep with a leopard, I'm really a righty and pussy and money. It really excites me and ready, don't try me, so wow. Fuck all you pricks, you cannot harm me, I think you a bitch. You think I'm corny, I think I'm the shit. When she get horny, she think of my dick. When I was broke, I would think like I'm rich till I fucked up my credit and hit me a lick. Then I got me some money to get me a crib and then blew it on bitches from plenty of fish. Fuck was I thinking? I'm going back to the streets. If Freddie and Jason had babies, my nigga, I promise, and that would be me. Niggas all in my honey.
As y'all saw, I'm done like setting up the stuff up there, but I do need to blow up these balloons. I got this machine to blow it up. I never used this before. Hopefully it will make my life easier. I need to tie the balloons too. Alright, you're gonna see. This is what it looks like outside. I need to look up a video how to do this. They do have instructions, but I don't know. You have to plug it up. Where's the little plug thing? Were we supposed to get our own? Let's see. Open. Okay. So I'll see y'all when I got all this stuff like down packed. I got it. This balloon is very small because I was scared at first. I was like, why is it making that sound? But it's supposed to make that sound. And some of the stuff like got everywhere, and I didn't know they put a lot in here. So now I know how to do it. So let's do the other ones. It's very hard to tie the balloons because I have nails on. I used a rubber band for that one to tie it up. I'm going to use these because these come with the rubber band and I could just twist it. So yeah. Plus these balloons look more cute anyway, so it doesn't matter.
No matter what you say, what you do, but I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right back inside till 2005. Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. Group at my house, and we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience. I'm not a doctor, but why is it mine? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa, got it flipping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so higher, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The status shit is I'm mad as it. These things took from the cabinet.
Okay, so this is what we're working with. I was gonna blow up more balloons, but I didn't want to put too much balloons. I think these would be good. These balloons would be good. They are. This one is. Those two are getting smaller, but it's all good though. It's all good. It doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter, but you know, yeah. So yeah, I'm about to sweep this up, and then I'm getting ready to put the other tablecloth on the ground to make it look like it's longer and that stuff. I have to blow up my 16 balloons. But yeah, but first I'm gonna sweep this up, then I'm gonna blow up my 16 balloons. All right, so y'all, I did the number 1. Now I'm gonna do the number 6. Now, I showed my mom and I showed my sister what I did. Well, both of my sisters, they couldn't believe that I did it. I'm like, who else will come in this house and do it? And I blown these balloons up too, the ones that were small. Again, I blown them up again. So now it's all good. The 6 is all done. Guys, I have school at 9:40. Well, that's when homework starts, but I get on at 10. So now we're getting ready to, well, I gotta put the pink tablecloth on the floor to make it look like it's longer. Hey, Mom. Mom, please do not cry. Mom, it's okay. I'm 16. I mean boys, right? No. Yeah. I like playing around with my mom. I was playing about the boys thing. Like, I don't want no boyfriend right now. I I'll have to have a car first when I get a boyfriend. Yeah, I was thinking like the boyfriend thing. I already knew my mom was gonna say no. But even if I did get a boyfriend, I'd let her know. So I was just playing with the boy thing. Alright.
Hey. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Yeah.
I'm done setting up. Basically, I do have to put the rose petals on the ground, but I'm gonna get dressed first, and that stuff will actually put on the first outfit, which is gonna be the robe, the Ugg slippers. I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna start taking the pictures. Well, first I gotta put the rose petals on, then I'm gonna start taking the pictures. Okay, so I got on the first outfit. I'm gonna take this off and put on my tiara, and then I got on the Uggs too. My mom said she forgot these Uggs, and then she was like, y'all spoiled and that stuff. And I'm like, Mom, how do you forget that I got these Uggs? I'm gonna put on this pearl necklace, and then I'm gonna start taking the pictures. My mom said I should blow up some more balloons because she said it's looking sad. I'm gonna blow up my balloons.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your flame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay.
I'm done setting everything up. The rose petals are on the ground. Now I'm gonna take my pictures, and I'm so excited to take my pictures. So I'm gonna take my pictures now, and yeah.
Me love letters. Do it when you love letters. Gotta make me love letters. It feel good, I love letters. Gotta make me love letters. Do it when you love letters. Gotta make me love letters. It feel good, I love letters. Finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I ain't too proud to be. Hey, so what's been said has been said. Finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head. Ooh, I ain't too proud to beg. So what's been said has been
40 minutes making art.
gotta make me love letters. Do it when you love letters. Gotta make me love letters. It feel good, I love letters. Gotta make me love letters.
While I'm in school, I got the second outfit on now. I have the second outfit on, and I'm about to take pictures with the second outfit. I'm looking for my brush. I'm about to take pictures with the second outfit. All right, I'm gonna use my money thingy, thingy. Oh, nails. Wait. I gotta ask my sister. to open this real quick. It took a while, but it finally. Why is it?
Hour later.
So an hour later, y'all, I've been trying to work this. It does not work. It's making sounds, but the money's not coming out of it. So I'm over here just like, I wasted my money.
Yeah, I wasted my money. So send me my money back. Now. My cash app is open. Yeah.
But it's all good. I'm still gonna take pictures in this outfit. But I'm just so mad. Should I still hold it like this? That's weird. I'm in history class now, y'all. I'm about to just take these pictures with this outfit on. And then I'm going to eat something because I didn't eat anything literally all day. And we started like around, what, 5, 6? I forgot.
That's the joy.
Alright, so let's do the second outfit. My phone died, so I'm recording off of my iPad. So if the quality looks bad, I'm so sorry. That's the end of this video anyway, because I'm done taking my pictures and that stuff. I'm about to edit them now. Go follow me on my Instagram. If you do not follow me on my Instagram, you should go follow me on my Instagram. You can follow me on my spam page if you want. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I have this whole entire mess to clean up. I'm also still in school. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell, share this video to one of your friends, and also follow me on my social medias too. And that's on period. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video. This marble is really pretty. Okay, so y'all, this is all my stuff.
So high. She said she's here for me. Whenever you might just